German chamomile. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and today I'm going to be talking about German Chamomile Essential Oil. I'll share how to use it, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. German chamomile comes from a beautiful little flower and creates this really pretty greenish blue tinted essential oil that has an herbal aroma. One way you can use German chamomile essential oil is by soothing digestion. Dilute it and apply it to your abdomen to help keep things running smoothly. Another way you can use German chamomile essential oil is to help your skin's natural healing. I like to dilute it with a high quality aloe vera gel and apply it to skin that could use some healing support. The aroma of German chamomile essential oil is calming and uplifting. You can use it in a diffuser or in an aromatherapy inhaler to help give you calm support. Because this oil is good at soothing your skin, you can also dilute it and use it on skin irritations to help soothe itching. Along with supporting your skin's natural healing, it can help support your muscle and joints as well. You can dilute it and apply it to the area or use it in an aromatherapy bath to help give your body soothing support. The last one I'm going to share on how to use German chamomile essential oil is to help you rest. It is a very calming oil, so you can create a roll-on bottle with it and apply it to your pulse points before you go to bed to help you rest better. Let's talk about how a German chamomile essential oil works. We know how it works by looking at how it's been used throughout history. German chamomile has a rich history in herbal and folk medicine traditions, and we can also learn how it can be used by looking at its chemical profile. German chamomile is largely made up of chamazulene and bisabolol. These natural chemicals help make up German chamomile's beautiful color and a rich aroma and gives it those benefits that we discussed earlier in this video. So let's make sure you know how to use German chamomile essential oils safely. This oil is generally considered safe for kids aged 2 and up. This oil is generally considered safe to use around cats and dogs, but always be mindful of your pet's behavior and talk to your vet before using essential oils on or around your pet. This oil is generally non-irritating, but always dilute an essential oil before you put it on your skin. That means you mix it with a carrier oil like almond oil or coconut oil before applying it to your skin. We've got a handy dilution chart that's linked in our blog post that will share more about how to dilute essential oils safely. What's your favorite way to use German chamomile essential oil? Comment below. Thanks for watching. One way you can use German German.
German.